For this project, I used cotton muslin so the colors of the flowers would really pop. Arrange your flowers on top however you like. Keep in mind that the colors next to one another will be more important than the shape of the flowers. Don't forget to bring in petals and leaves as well as the full flower. To secure your design, you'll want to tape everything in place. This will help as you are hammering your design. Put a layer of parchment paper on top and start hammering. I started off gently and then realized that wasn't going to cut it, so I took it outside and worked on the concrete, and it looked so much better. It should look like a pile of goo. Smash those flowers as much as you can, then go in and remove all the petals and the tape from your design. If you're going to compost, be sure to remove the tape from your petals first. To turn the fabric into wall art, I painted a poster hanger with chalk paint, and then I went in to hem the edges to give it a cleaner look. Now this is a great no-sew way, so if you can't sew, you just need an iron, but you want to trim everything to the size of your poster hanger. Iron the webbing into place and then trim your excess fabric, and that's the project. That is how you turn hammered flowers into wall art. Subscribe for more colorful DIYs.